This is the final part of me fixing pen 1984 VHS part 1. This is part 4 and the very final part. Old Blood and Guts, the Man and Soldier. Guess what? Ready? I finally fixed this tape, even though the label, look at that, I marked it, it's pen with PG 2 hours, 51 minutes. Unfortunately, it's not going to dry. That one's not going to dry, unfortunately. And I did fix the tape. I did splice this in 1984 VHS. Even though this it's not going to dry, it will let us dry in a couple seconds or either out a couple hours. This will let it dry for a couple hours when marked. And it's got a record tab. I will put the animal sometime, but here is a test. And I took away DirecTV. My brother passed away. My mom let me took away DirecTV. My brother passed away. I'm gonna hold my breath because it's gonna get scary by splicing it. Listen. I don't like that. Let's see if it's test. Yep, it works. Let me get the remote. Guys, let me know in the comments if I fixed the tape. Guys, let me know in the comments if I fixed the tape. I'm gonna mute the volume to avoid any copyright strike. Actually, I'm gonna call it quits. Yep, I finally fixed the tape. I finally placed the 1984, I finally fixed the pen 1984 VHS part 1. So yeah, I did fix it good. Let's go fast forward to snap position. Oh, yeah. Get the ID and pans from 20th Century Fox. Annoying. Blue screen, yep, got 2 batteries left. Now, it's perfect. Everything works perfect. I did splice the tape from a record tape into a 1984 VHS. 1984 VHS of Pan Part 1. I did do good. Let's fast forward to snap it. And the old tape show. The tape is, yeah. Actually, let me show you that. Hear that grinding noise? That's why when I fixed the tape. His hair snapped. Or how about, yep, at the end of the tape. Now it's nighttime, it's dark. No color screen up at the end. And so far, all the CBS box tapes don't have color screen at the end. Let's hear the snap. I can see it. Well. I did fix the tape, as you can tell, but oh. Now I wanna rewind the tape. How about fast forward? I did fix the tape good, but worst part is where it comes. I think they're good, but worst scenario comes. Hold on, I dropped something. I think I'm done with this part, or whatever. Sorry. That thing's broken. Yeah. Let me get this out. Yeah, that thing's broken. Yeah. Almost to the end. Now, I'm gonna need I did good. As I said, worst comes to splicing the tapes. Hopefully there will be, it's 3 AM. Hopefully there will be another part. Well, I did good. Hear that? It's so long. Well, I can fast forward. Here. Almost done. Almost done. Yep. Here snap. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do it the other way. This automatically goes with this. Hey, hold on a minute. Put in this. I don't think it's eating tapes. And even know it's dirty. It's the eject key. The eject key. Unfortunately, I don't like that. My Magnavox TV PCR combo died. Well, I'll do that in the next video, but first, yeah, Magnavox TV PCR combo died. How about if I can, again. About this. Not yet? Oh well. And it's going back. Hopefully I will get another piece of. Almost to the end. There's one battle left. This will be the next part. I did fix this tape, as you can see. Now, I'm gonna snap it by fast forward. Almost. And almost there. Getting close. You see? You hear it snap? Ugh. Yeah. We're gonna... Most part we're gonna fix is at the end. And then even worse, damaged to the point. About I can... Now we can fix it one last time. And there you go. It's at the end of the tape because it's reaching the end by fast forwarding it, but it snapped. Actually, let's fix it one last time. And prepare to call it day. Now by the end of the tape, it's gonna snap once. Yeah, actually, I don't. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got it. We got it. Now, this is gone. Bye bye. Now this reel has gotta go. These are the two drums I'm gonna do. And now, the final part. If I can get this done, that'd be awesome. Now, I have a tripod, so I'm gonna do the tripod one last time. Oh, get out of here. Now, don't worry, this is not going to trash. So yeah. Second, folks. Now, let's move everything. Okay. Let's get this thing spliced, and then we're set. We're set. Let's call it a day after I'm done with this video. Or, yep. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's better. Actually, do it this way. At any point. Hang on, let's get this started. Actually, I bet there'll be one. Let's get this in quick before I'm running out of time. Before I'm running out of time. Now the tape snapped at the end. So final method before I do part 5 on the final test. It's before I go. Hold on. Oh, God. Hit it, fudge it. Do this. Tremble part. Oh, hold on a minute. It is. Oh, it. There we go. Yeah, we're good. Now the final method. Get it in. It's actually. Hold on. Let's make sure that it's not snapped. Hold on a minute. Wow. We did it. We did it. How about that? We did it. Now let's do the wheels one last time. I'm miserable at this place. One moment, folks. It's not the right one. There we go. It's not the perfect splice, but oh well. It's not the perfect splice, but oh well. I do have another copy, so I should be okay. Got the stupid. Come on. Get it in there. There we go. Now, unfortunately, it's gonna be cut from here. Every single time you splice it, go like this. Go like this. pick the phone strip up, and that's when it will work. I actually hold the phone strip like this, and that will work. So yeah, there we go. We got it. Oh God, I don't like that. Well, at least we did. Oh well. Tape has some damage tape at the beginning, but oh well. It doesn't really matter. Oh wow. Wow, that's not the. That's the incorrect. Hold on. What's this? Is it like this? Yeah. I gotta put it back in. Yeah, that's correct. Oh. Huh. For some reason it's broken like this. I should. Okay, turn it on. Like this. Well, I guess that's it for part 4. That's not the final part, but that's part 4. Look at this. Wheels coming loose. And one left, it's not. Look at that. And the light's loose. But oh well. The right spliced. But oh well. I will put 5 screws in as we run out of time. Hopefully, that'll be it for this. That's it for part 4. And the final part, I'll rewind it, and it will be perfect. It's not bad. It'll be not bad. So that's it for part 4. I'll be back with part 5. How about that? I'll be back with part 5. See you in part 5. Oh well. See you in part 5. Putting all 5 screws back and see you in part 5. See how it works.